Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the steering column lock is located, steering column lock fuse, stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the steering column lock fuse, guys, where it is located, we'll demonstrate on a 2010 Honda Accord right here. Fun fact, you have 3 fuse boxes. Luckily enough, we work in one of them, and that fuse box is located on the inside of your Honda Accord. We'll need to come to the driver's side, look under the dash upside down, kind of like above the pedals in the left side. If you look there, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box that will look just like this one right here. Now, before we guys actually continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, the fuse that we'll need to check for the steering column lock. We're going to zoom in, and when we zoom in, you can clearly see we have numbers next to the fuses, which makes it really convenient to find the fuses. And the fuse that we'll need to check, we're talking about fuse number 17. That 7.5 amp fuse will need to be checked, fuse number 17 right here. If you guys have any more questions, you want to see anything else specifically, drop a comment below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.